bridge rectifier. This is bridge rectifier. This is bridge rectifier, and AC input is given here. This is a transformer. During positive half cycle, current flow in this way. This is a resistance. This is the 4 number of diodes, D1, D2, D3, D4. And when during positive half cycle, current flow this way. During negative cycle, current flow this way. So we can see that in full wave bridge rectifier, current direction in the resistance RL, load resistance RL, in the same direction, both positive and negative half cycle. Thank you.